ready to uncover hidden real estate gems and potentially snag a property at a bargain price. Today, we're diving deep into Zillow to show you exactly how to find foreclosed homes. So buckle up and let's get started. First things first, head over to Zillow.com or open the Zillow app on your phone or tablet. Right at the top, you'll see the search bar. This is where the magic begins. Type in the city, neighborhood, or even a specific zip code where you're interested in finding foreclosures. Once you've entered your desired location, hit enter. You'll now see a map populated with listings, but we need to filter these to specifically show foreclosures. Look for the filters button, typically located near the top of the page, slightly to the right. Go ahead and click that. A drop-down menu will appear under the for sale section. You'll usually find a list of options like any houses, condos, etc. Expand this for sale section, and you should see an option labeled foreclosures. Make sure to select that checkbox. Sometimes Zillow organizes foreclosures under a listing type submenu, so if you don't see it immediately, explore the different submenus within the filters. Again, click on foreclosure. Now, scroll down and click the apply filters button, usually located at the bottom of the filter menu. Zillow will then refresh the map and listings to display only properties currently listed as foreclosures in your chosen area. Click on any listing that catches your eye to view more details. You'll find information like the property address, price, number of bedrooms and bathrooms, property size, and often photos. Be sure to pay close attention to the listing description for any specific details regarding the foreclosure process or required actions. Keep in mind that foreclosure listings on Zillow can sometimes be misclassified, so double-check the listing details to confirm it's indeed a foreclosure. And that's it. You're now equipped to hunt for foreclosed homes on Zillow like a pro. Happy house hunting!